Welcome back, everybody. Signing here again with another episode of Forever Factory. And this episode may be a day late. Uh, I don't know right now is when I'm recording this. Yeah, no, you're not. Okay, that hurt. Um, I've got a lot of plans, but I'm not sure if I'm going to have enough time to pull them all off. So if it is like a day later than usual, yeah, I apologize. But as of now, when I'm starting to record this episode, I have no idea if I'm going to be late or not. All right, you go like that. You go on. Stupid saw. Okay, and now you're just being a pain. And now the input is behind. You can stop. Okay, now you're doing that. There we go. So we needed to saw the PCBs, right? Is how it worked. It was these things. Oh, no, we package them with that setup first. Okay, so good point. You can see I've packed up a lot of stuff. And I have made a bunch of different bits and bobs and so on and so forth. Namely, I've made basically like a stack and a half of these things already. And I sold a stack of them, and I'm sitting at $2.5 million now. So that was worth the effort. But this is the IO units, right? It's the import one, okay. Then the export one is the other way, or I can just craft an input. Matic cylinder. Am I really out of the cylinders already? Oh, I don't have any of the walls, do I? Nope. All right, got some stuff made up. So grab 2 importers, turn one into an export. I need the laser. Actually, let's get the controller first here. Because that one I know I can do without any extra crafting. Yep. Okay, get out of here with that. Red stained glass. Okay, I do have to do times 8. I was hoping I can get away with just one like you can with wool, but unfortunately not. And that's probably the only red stained glass I'll ever use is for these lasers. All right, assembly laser, and I might as well go ahead and make the drill. And that should be everything for this here, right? And then we need program laser, which I've got all 3 programs here. Drill and laser, drill, and laser. Hey, look at that. There we go. Did I put my extra... I made some, like, basically second tier tubes. Are they over here? Yeah, they are. Reinforced pressure tubes. You just, molten plastic plus pressure tube. And they can handle twice the pressure. So, made that, and then I put security upgrades and everything. So if it goes over 5 bar... Oh, you ran out of gasoline again. If it goes over 5 bars, then it won't explode. The only thing that will explode is actually my vortex tube over here. Because it does not have a GUI for me to apply upgrades to. Alright, it's probably about time to do that thing again. You are still going. How many do we have? 7? Okay. Alright, one thing right click with that. There we go. There's more of those, and now the only thing that needs pressure in this entire setup is just the controller. So we're just going to temporarily set this up over here. Might be a bit of a tight fit, but we'll make it work, right? And the cool thing is the little screen actually rotates to face you no matter which direction you're you're looking at. There we go. And you're filling up with pressure. Very nice. We are going to need just the laser for now, right? Laser IO platform. Okay. So let me grab IO unit import. We'll go here. Laser will go here. Or platform here. Just because I might need it for each use, the drill goes there. Export unit will go here, and I need 2 boxes. Or I need 2 inventories, right? So chest is probably the way I'm going to go. Got jungle chest. Let's go ahead and get 2 of those coming. And we are going to have the importer next to this chest, exporter looking at this one. Now we need the laser program into here. It's going to take 3.5 bars of pressure before this thing is ready to go. Thing is, I let that fluid compressor run out of fuel, so I'm going to have to jumpstart it with some coal into my other compressors here. Turns out running a UV light box with a speed upgrade, yeah, it does take a decent amount of pressure. And hey, another one's done. Sweet. All right. So this thing is waiting on pressure now. But what we're going to do, I'm going to go drop these guys off in here. And it's got an error. You can actually see it's got the little error marking on there. Not enough pressure by at least 3.5 bars. I can't remember what max pressure is on these. 5 bar. That's it. Okay. So you're going to need a security upgrade as well. I mean, it's not the end of the world. It's somewhat unfortunate. I mean, it's a safety tube module for obsidian and for lapis, basically. And then these, we just have to make one of these, which is gold. Need 2 levers. It's not bad. Just kind of... It's one of those multi-step crafting things that is just kind of annoying. There's that. We're gonna need one of these. And we're gonna need the actual safety tube itself. And then we need the upgrade. All right, give it a sec. There it is. I mean, they're not bad. It's a lot better to make them in bulk. But for some reason, I thought this thing was good up to 10 bar. It's only good to 5, which is unfortunate, but well, we wouldn't be able to use it anyway if it was good to 10 bar. Just that at 10 bar, the pipes would blow before the controller would. Good. Here, give me that for now. You go in there. 50.62 milliliters per tick now. Warning. Oh yeah, no valid items. Okay. And that number is going up fairly quickly, which is good, but we've got a lot of volume to mess with. Well, we should have enough pressure now, so let's go ahead and drop these in so we can watch this stuff work. No speed upgrade, so it's going to be slow. Once we get this set up permanently and have 3 of these set up for each of the free programs, then I will worry about speeding them up. For just right now, though, this is good enough. If you look close, yep, there you can actually see the laser now, which is cool. goes. It turns into the packaged components. And we're going to have the export unit here grab it and move it into the box I'm standing on. And bingo. Packaged integrated circuits. When we come over here, drop those onto our sawmill here, or our mechanical saw. And there we go. We have our integrated circuits. 24 of them. Which is good because there are some things that take up to 4 of these per. But one of the things we can do now is we can make pity machine frames. Which I might get into a little bit, probably not right away. I need plastic so I can move animals around easy, because there's the mob imprisonment tool. This guy here needs rubberized plastic from industrial foregoing, which is, the whole foregoing chain of, latex processing unit and so on and so forth. But we have completed this chapter. Gives me 8 more. Okay, cool. What am I missing for... the tier 4. Gotcha. That'll give me 8 gold coins back. How much do gold coins sell for? $250,000 each. Okay. So if I spend $1 billion plus $1 million, I'll get $1 million back. Let's see. The tier 4 is titanium ingot plus like... Alright, you know what? Is it called contractor? What the heck is it actually called? Yeah, senior engineer's contract. Not really seeing them over here though. There we go. So let's go ahead and get ourselves a tier 4 because I've got all the stuff laying around for that. And then we also need the tier 3. And then we just shift right. Oh, that's in here, isn't it? There we go. And in digital age, we have the integrated circuit. We get another 32 of those plus 2 nickel coins, which go for 40.96 each. Oh, you just shift click stuff in there. That's a nice and handy thing. And that'll unlock industrial foregoing and thermal expansion. That'll give me 4 more, and that's dead easy, right? Which means we can get access to a bunch of the machines and stuff that we haven't had access to yet. Also, we can access all the magical stuff. Rural fertilizer, brilliant fiber, the different saplings, which I think I've got them all. We can access the arc furnace electrode blueprint for 1 million. I'm gonna go ahead and grab that anyway. That's, yeah. So what's the difference? Right. This is the one that we found in a village. Okay. Was it a village? We found. And it's like literally the same thing. All right, yeah, so I could have just picked up the one that was in the table there and called it good. Oh well. It was only $1 million. I mean, that's nothing, right? Here, install an admin. Is there a... Oh, okay, yeah, there are buyers. Nice. Fluid buyer and seller. Okay, but this is how we are supposed to... We're supposed to get those fluids instead of it going into a bucket. Balance detector. Okay. And the shopping tablet. That is the shop plus a stick, and that would allow us to buy on the go. All right. How do we make the shop? A chest, a crafting table, and stone. Something to keep in mind. There we go. I've made that, so I don't need that anymore. Same with that. Etching acid we've gotten made. Keeping these up because it's stuff I want to automate. And this could be handy. I've never gotten around to making this. I need mana to make that, which... Get mana pool. I don't have any generating flora yet, though. What do I have for mystical flowers right now? Because I was going around trying to find poppies. Because I was having no luck with bone mealing. Why did I do mystical? Add mystical. Okay, I've got 4, 9, 11 varieties. Okay. Well, now I can buy floral fertilizers. So I can get the rest of those without a problem. So I've only got 10 varieties because there's one petal in here too. But now I'll be able to actually buy the floral fertilizer and get started with Botania a little later than I wanted to, but not that much later, really. Oh, you're done. Sweet. Let's go get some more of these things now. Hey, there we go. Well, haven't done much with the farm or Botania area or anything like that. Enchanting area is still all jacked. But I did kind of work on the rest of this place. So this is asphalt from Create Diesel generators and actually increases your movement speed, I found out. So I figured this would be a good way of getting on the base. This is fiberboard from Immersive Engineering. You actually make this stuff with phenolic resin and sawdust. I had a ton of sawdust. Phenolic resin is really not that hard to get either. And it's concrete, and we got hempcrete from Immersive back here. Cleaned up pretty much every machine except for the arc furnace, because I have a feeling I'm going to need steel before this is all said and done. And it's either I leave the arc furnace alone for now, or I set up another blast furnace. That thing. Okay, good. Couldn't remember if I'd emptied it out recently or not. Need to improve the mob farm as well. We're getting a ton of blaze rods, not a lot of everything else. I mean, we're like 600 zombie flesh. We got 560 bones, 400 arrows, 500 gunpowder, 500 ender pearls. We're getting a lot of ender pearls for some strange reason. But we're at 16,500 blaze rods, so it's a little unbalanced currently, and we should probably do something about that. The only thing hooked up is still just my liquid compressor, pressure chamber, and the etching tank, because I just got done etching some stuff. And we have not used a single millibucket, and I've done, well, let's see. There's 41 here. I got like 16 from Quest, that's like 25. I used probably 16-ish for crafting, and then turned in a stack for cash. So over 100 PCBs processed, and it has not used a single millibucket because it's not heated. It's just slow. You need it faster, heat it up, but you'll have to replace the etching acid. Now, one unfortunate thing is mob spawn now. I'm going to have to retorch everything, or relight everything. But this should give us plenty of room to work. I'm going to start setting up some assembly lines next episode. Definitely for the basic mechanism and the requisite machines for getting this done. Andesite alloy is going to be a bit of a tricky one to set up, because I need to automate andesite. But I need lava for that. Flint and gravel we can get from a cobblestone generator. I mean, flint we can literally just process, well, tough, which I plan on doing anyway. But if we process gravel, we get sand, flint, clay, or tough. So I should probably, there's so many things I want to do. Before I start the assembly lines, actually, maybe I should get a bit into Botania. And at least get tough automated. And then we can start running tough through crushing wheels like these. Did I empty this out? Mostly. And getting all those free nuggets, right? Probably going to go the end of flame route. Checked you in a while. Why am I... Okay, there's room in here. Why did I pick up... You know, I did have an issue where I completely forgot about this. I came over and there was just drops everywhere. Can I access your box? Yes. Okay. Let me go ahead and speed you up a little bit then. Yeah, this was full. The hopper was full. Then this chest filled up. And then there was just a god-awful amount of items everywhere. So, yeah, that was my bad. I never did hook up any sort of door system for over there. But I should probably redo that tree farm. Make it bigger. And have it automatically take care of turning some wood into charcoal, putting it into storage, sending some wood into storage as is. Sorry, that had a sneeze sneak up out of nowhere on me. Some planks coming into storage, planks and sawdust, and then some logs coming in over here as well. And then the planks will be going through a coke oven setup like this over here, where I'll be making probably coal coke so I can make steel out of it. And then using the creosote oil to make treated wood planks, which will then go back into storage. And yeah, we're going to have a lot of pipes set up here soon. A lot of these pipes. Shouldn't be too bad, though. All right, let's see if I can give this thing a bit more of a helping hand so I can start getting stuff chopped quicker. There you go. Let's grab a bunch of stuff out of here. And it's going to take a second, but we're going to have one hell of a show when it hits the right log. Well, that was a good one. Oh, another big tree just grew. Is there a crap? Enderman. This one might do it. Nope. Come on. Hit the magic log. Not it yet. Yeah, there's one log that once it cuts it, it's going to take down that whole chunk. And trees are growing behind it. That's how long it's taken to cut. And I have nothing fertilizing this stuff over here. This is all just pure natural tree growth. Unless Create's got some sort of magic where, you know, saplings planted by a deployer grow faster or something. It's gonna be nighttime soon here. Hurry up. Come on. This is such a tease. Bet it's that log right there that it's breaking now, actually. Nope. Oh my god, there it goes. That was loud. Maybe jump a little bit too. Yeah, it did a pretty good job of gathering wood right there, so. Oh, hello, spider. And this asphalt, by the way, actually works for mobs too, so. Which is a bit of a shame, but I imagine it's easier just to code it for everything rather than players only and all the things you have to check in that case. I'm up to 1,100 apples already. But thank you for coming out. I hope you enjoyed this episode, and until the next one. Signing out. Have fun.